This video, we're working on a BMW F900X or 2020. The customer sent us the engine ECU and ignition lock, and all keys are lost. An offline operating machine. First, connect the engine ECU connector. Then connect the ignition lock connector and the induction coil. Next, connect the OBD connector to the K007 BMW programmer. Connect the K007 BMW key programmer to the main unit using the main cable 620-6. After all the BMW programmer devices are fully connected, we can use the main host to perform all keys lost programming. Before programming, the main host needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi icon appears at the bottom right, it means it is connected. Press OK to enter and confirm the disclaimer. Select BMW key programming. This is an 8A keyless system. Select menu O2, 8A chip. All right, the K007 programmer is connected. Press OK to confirm. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. The device will read the information automatically. Just press OK to continue. Select O1, read information. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. There are 4 pages of data, and all should be saved by taking photos. Press OK to continue. Select O2, read keys. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. There are 10 key channels in total. Currently, 2 channels are used. This is the original BMW key status. Go back to the previous menu. Select O3, coding operation. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. Enter O1, backup coding. Follow the prompt and press the ignition button every 2 seconds. Name the file and save it, for example FF. This motorcycle is an F900, so we'll name it FF. Press OK to save, and the coding backup is completed. Next, enter O5, Key Programming menu. Click OK again. Select O1, Auto Add Key. Just press OK to continue. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. Follow the prompts and activate the system when required. Press the ignition button every 2 seconds. Press OK to save. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. The system will enter a pre-processing stage, which takes about 2 to 5 minutes. During this process, press the ignition button every 2 seconds. Wait until the progress bar is completed. Remember to press the ignition button every 2 seconds. After successful programming, press OK to continue. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. Select the previously saved file FF. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. Follow the prompt and press the ignition button every 2 seconds. Activate the system to complete coding. Next, we will add a new key. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. There are 10 key channels here. Select an unused channel, for example, channel 6. Press OK to continue. Select the key type. Here we choose chip key. This is an 8A chip key. Place the 8A chip key near the induction coil. Select the chip option and press OK to continue. Do not move the key. The system starts learning the key. During the process, press the ignition button every 2 seconds. When finished, it will show learning successful. Press OK to go back. Select Read Keys again. Press the ignition button once to activate the immobilizer system. You can see the new key is written into channel 6. The new key is successfully added and can be used for emergency start. This is the full process of adding a key when all keys are lost. Thanks for watching.